In today's video, I thought I would do a unboxing on Boxycharm. I just got this in the mail, so I'm super excited. Haven't opened it, you can tell, still sealed. So I'm gonna somehow find a knife and cut this. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back and the box is ready to be open. I don't know what's in it. So here we go. Ooh. Okay, of course, first well, this tells you everything that's in the box. I'm just gonna go through everything one by one anyway, so we won't read it. I mean, we'll read the description of it, but I'm just gonna pull it out. So first, I'm gonna pull out. Okay, let's see. This is Glow Head Illuminating Face Oil. Let's see. Oh, okay, it is right here. Wonder. This multitasking beauty elixir instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion no matter what skin type you have. Okay, so I definitely will be testing this out. Next, these look like eye shimmers and glimmer eyeshadow, cotton candy, and iced latte. And I would pronounce Ace Butte. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be pronounced. You cannot see that, but I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be pronounced differently. But let's say what the Glimmer Shadow Duo, highly pigmented soft shadows with a creamy texture, specifically designed for the ultimate color payoff. So I definitely will be testing these out. These are really, really pretty too. Speaking of, I'm just gonna do a first swatch. Ooh, it's super duper soft. I can tell you that first off the bat. That's a beautiful color. This one. And then, okay, so that one was iced latte, and then this one is cotton candy. This color. We'll do right next to it. These colors are so pretty. I definitely cannot wait to test these colors out. So, next is this Big Ego from Tarte Cosmetics. Whoa. Big Ego Mascara. Alright, it says an ultra black vegan mascara that fits your lashes and delivers a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. So, obviously, I will be testing this out because the mascara that I use is my Benefit Roller Lash, and I really love it because it just gives me that natural, you know, since I'm taking a break from my lashes, not too much longer, but just a little bit longer. So next we have, oh, actually, you know what, before I go on to the next, I'm just gonna open to see what the packaging looks like. Ooh, very sleek. Okay, let's see what the brush looks like. Okay, it looks like a typical Tarte brush. I do love their mascara. Their Tartiste. I love that one. And so the writing is really small. I'm not gonna even be able to read it, but this is cute. I can't wait to try this out. So next is, I already know this is Becca. And this is a Hydra Mist and Refresh Powder. So it says, this weightless powder sets and refreshes makeup for a silky smooth, invisible finish, formulated with 50% water and glycerin. Thin powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin for a seamless finish and comfortable feel. So let's see. Becca powders are really, really bomb. Ooh. This is mirror. This is beautiful. So I'm really excited to try this because as well I love the Cover Effects. I use that to set my powder or my face. So you know what? I might actually with this, I might actually do a full face makeup look because just to try out this powder and see, you know, if it's gonna make a difference. And last but certainly not least is the Steve Laurent lip liner. So this is it right here. Okay, and this says reshape, resize, and redefine your palette. Okay, this lip pencil is total magic. It smooths over your lip line for a seamless and flawless finish. So I will definitely be trying this lip liner out. I am so excited. So yeah guys, that was a quick unboxing I thought I would do of my Boxycharm that I just got in the mail today. I'm super excited and I can't wait to create a look. I cannot wait to create a look using the stuff that I got in this box, and I definitely will have that one and create that video very soon for you guys. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, let me know. If you got a Boxycharm box, let me know down in the comments below. But yeah, like this and don't forget to share it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.